Hi, welcome to the Googleplex. To help you get to the right area of Google, first, if you're calling about Google services for your business, press 1. 2. Thanks. Now, if you're calling because you can't get into your Gmail account, press 1. Otherwise, for help with one of our devices or the Play Store, press 2. For YouTube and Maps, 4. Okay, usually, the best place is to the Online Help Center at youtube.com/support. If you'd like one of our agents to help you find out where to go, hang on and I'll put you through. Just to let you know, we record calls for quality and training, subject to our privacy policy. Hang on. It looks like the wait is about 10 to 15 minutes right now.